Hi, I'm Lena. This is my unique dry flower brooch. I take cotton fabric, a metal brooch base and generously apply glue to it. I attach the first layer of fabric, then immediately add the second layer and let the glue dry for 30 minutes. I trim off the excess fabric. I choose a black background color. I use acrylic paint. I spread the paint evenly over the surface, making sure I paint the edge to let the brooch dry for 30 minutes. I dip the flower, it fits perfect. I glue the flower on and press it well to reduce its volume. I gently spread the petals, outline the petals with a red color, then add white to highlight them and add freshness to stem with a light green shade. For the final coat, I'll use a matte top gel. I apply a thin layer over the whole brooch. Even inside the petals. And cure it in UV lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, I buffed the edge with the buffer and also made another brooch in a glossy version to create a vintage worn effect. And happy with the new brooch, I went for a bike ride.